finally the day is here. We're actually married now. Husband and wife. We've been best friends for years and today I married my best friend. That's the best thing that could happen to me.
How do you feel right now?
The entry was amazing, but a bit nervous also.
Now how do you feel?
I am very excited.